for they can die no more. They are now sons of the resurrection, therefore sons of God. Implying until that takes place in man, man as he appears to die isn't really dead. He is restored to life to continue the journey, and he dies again, restored, continues the journey, and he dies again. Not reincarnation, not what the world talks about reincarnation, but simply restoration, continuing in a body just like this, just as before, in a world terrestrial just like this, aging just as we do here, making our departure from that world as we do here. But that world is part of this world. He only speaks of two ages. So my world here does not terminate at the point where my senses cease to register it. So I meet someone, and this very moment they drop dead. I go to their funeral, I see the dust. They gave me the little urn. She was turning to little ashes. But I can't touch her now. I can't talk to her. I can't see her. But that world does not end. It doesn't terminate at that point in time where my senses cease to register it. She is restored in a body just as before. New, not a baby, but new, young. Not a thing missing. It's unaccountably new. She continues the journey, and she marries, as she did here. And she lives the life there as she lived it there. And she matures and grows old, and she dies there as she died here. To find herself restored once more, to continue the journey just as before. No loss of identity. Then comes this moment in time where man is born from above. As he's born from above, he goes through a series of events leading up to the discovery of the fatherhood of God, which is himself. Then he departs this age forever. He no longer is restored to life. When men call him dead, he has entered the kingdom of God. And his body is not the body of flesh and blood, for it cannot enter the kingdom of God. That body is the body of glory, his immortal body that cannot die.